Thanks for tuning in. On this post, we are going to be talking about OMGUSD, if I am bearish, bullish, and my predictions to the measured target according to the scenario that I think we are in right now. Before we begin today, please do read my disclaimer below, as I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my opinions and speculations. You should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky. Also, if you guys don't have any of the brokerage accounts below with WeBull, Binance US, or Coinbase, you guys can support me by using one of my referral links below. I do know that WeBull is still giving out 2 free stocks if you sign up with the qualifying deposit, and I will also earn a free stock upon your successful sign up at no extra cost to you. Now, if you guys are watching this on TradingView, be sure to follow me, or if you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be coming out with new regular analyses on the cryptos on my watch list. Now let's begin. So I am looking at the daily chart right here, and what you can notice right here is that we have formed a huge inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. You can also see this on multiple charts in different time frames, even the 3-day. And for this pattern, it's an inverse head and shoulders pattern. It is a bullish pattern. The neckline I have drew is at about 4.5, where I can get the most touches on the wicks that have been formed. Now, what would take for us to be bullish, of course, would be to break above this neckline right here at about 4.5, which we have some way to go. Okay, but if we do break above that neckline, my measured target would be about 6.5. Now, please do note that the measured target may or may not be reached. It is just a theory. It may be reached fast, it may be reached slow. So do keep that in mind. It is a very theoretical target. Now, but if we zoom in right here on the daily charts, I do see that we have also formed somewhat of a double bottom on this right shoulder of the pattern here, which is also a bullish pattern. And the neckline of that double bottom, I would say it's about 3.75, where I got the most touches on the wicks. That was the neckline, and the measured target of this neckline, okay, is at about 4.25. That's the measured target of this breakout of this double bottom right here. Now, one thing I also like to look at is what kind of cycle are we in? And I can tell that based on the RSI, looking at the RSI on the bigger time frames. So if we switch to monthly, we actually don't have a reading on the RSI because it's still pretty recently added on Coinbase. But on the weekly, you can see that we have actually came down, and we are back. We're not in oversold territory, so we may still be in an upcycle. And so is the 3-day charts, the daily. Do we have bullish divergence over here? No, but we do still have a double bottom. So basically, a lot of the major time frame charts, we are not in overbought territory. So that gives me a signal that we are not in a topped out market and we can go further up. But obviously, it can still go either way. But I don't like buying positions where the asset is already in overbought territory and could basically have a down cycle from there. So according to the RSI charts and the major time frames, that is less of a possibility as we are not in overbought territory. Now, let's talk about what could switch us from bullish to bearish. Of course, so this inverse head and shoulders pattern will be invalidated if we actually get, if the price action actually drops to about the head level right here, which is about 2.5. That would be a signal for me that this, well, that would first of all invalidate this pattern. And that would be a bad sign for me that there may be more downward price action, since this bullish pattern will be invalidated if price action does get to about 2.55. So these are my thoughts and opinions for OMGUSD today. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Please do leave me any feedback, comments, if you disagree, agree, in the comment section below. And I will see you guys next time.